You just got rejected for an apartment? Or maybe it was a car loan. Or a credit card. The reason? No credit history. You're invisible to the financial system. Banks don't trust you because you have no track record. Landlords won't rent to you. It feels like you're stuck in an impossible loop. You need credit to get credit. But here's the truth, nobody tells you. You can build credit from absolute zero, and it doesn't take years. It takes 90 days. 3 months. That's it. Hey, I'm walking you through a realistic step-by-step plan to build your credit score from nothing. No tricks, no gimmicks. Just a real plan that actually works. If you want simple, practical tips like this, tips that actually work for real people, hit that like button and subscribe to Liberty Money. We drop new videos every single day to help you get out of the money struggle and start building real wealth. Let's go. 7 main steps. 1. Understand what credit actually is and why it matters. Before we jump into the plan, you need to understand what credit is. Credit is basically your financial reputation. It's a score that tells banks, landlords, and lenders whether you're trustworthy with money. The score ranges from 300 to 850. Anything above 670 is considered good. Above 740 is very good. Above 800 is excellent. When you have no credit, you're starting from zero. Not bad credit, just no credit. And that's actually easier to fix than bad credit. Why does this matter for personal finance management? Because your credit score affects almost everything financial in your life. It determines whether you get approved for loans, what interest rates you pay, whether landlords will rent to you, and sometimes even whether employers will hire you. This is fundamental financial literacy, understanding that building credit isn't optional if you want financial freedom. It's a necessary part of money management. The good news: you can build it from scratch in 90 days if you follow the right steps. This is financial education that directly impacts your quality of life. Quick reflection: do you even know your current credit score? If not, that's your first homework assignment. Check it for free using a service like Credit Karma or your bank's app. 2. Get a secured credit card, your foundation. Here's where the real plan starts. Day 1. You're going to apply for a secured credit card. This is different from a regular credit card. With a secured card, you put down a deposit, usually $200 to $500, and that becomes your credit limit. So if you deposit $300, you get a $300 credit limit. The bank holds your deposit as collateral, which means they're taking zero risk. That's why they'll approve you even with no credit history. This is your foundation for building credit. Here's how it works. You use the card for small purchases, like gas or groceries. Then you pay it off in full every single month. The credit card company reports your payment history to the credit bureaus, and boom, you're building credit. This is personal budget management in action. You're not using this card to go into debt. You're using it as a tool to build your financial reputation. Within 30 days of getting your secured card and making your first payment, you'll start to see a credit score appear. This is the beginning of your credit journey. When you're learning budgeting for beginners, understanding how to use credit responsibly is critical. Quick reflection: can you set aside $200, $500 for a secured credit card deposit? That deposit gets returned to you later when you upgrade to a regular card, so it's not money you're losing.
3.
Become an authorized user instant credit boost. Here's a shortcut that most people don't know about. You have a family member or close friend with good credit. Ask them to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. You don't even need to use the card. You don't need access to it. Just being listed as an authorized user means their payment history gets added to your credit report. If they've been making on-time payments for years, suddenly you inherit that positive history. This is a game changer for building credit fast. Within 30 to 60 days of being added as an authorized user, you'll see your credit score jump. This is one of the fastest ways to build credit from zero. But here's the catch: you need to trust the person whose card you're on. If they miss payments or max out the card, it hurts your credit too. So choose wisely. This is financial planning at its smartest. You're leveraging someone else's good credit history to jumpstart your own. Combined with your secured card, you're now building credit through 2 different methods. This is personal finance management that actually accelerates your progress. Quick reflection: who in your life has good credit and might be willing to add you as an authorized user? Sometimes just asking opens doors you didn't know existed. 4. Pay on time. Every time the golden rule. Let me be crystal clear about this. Your payment history is 35% of your credit score. That's the single biggest factor. Missing even one payment can tank your score. Quit making on-time payments consistently. That builds your credit fast. This is where budgeting apps and money management systems become your best friend. Set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Even if you can only pay the minimum, pay on time. But here's the real strategy. Don't just pay the minimum, pay your full balance every single month. Why? Because carrying a balance means paying interest, and that's wasted money. Plus, using less than 30% of your credit limit helps your score even more. So, if your secured card has a $300 limit, try to never have more than $90 on it at any time. This is called credit utilization, and it's 30% of your credit score. When you understand personal finance management at this level, you realize that building credit is about spending a lot, it's about spending smart and paying consistently. This is the financial literacy that separates people who build wealth from people who stay broke. Quick reflection. Can you set up automatic payments today? Right now? It takes 5 minutes and protects your credit score forever. 5. Keep your credit utilization low, under 30%. Let's dig deeper into credit utilization because this trips people up. Credit utilization is how much of your available credit you're using. If you have a $500 credit limit and you're using $400 of it, that's 80% utilization, way too high. Credit bureaus see that as risky. They think you're overextended. If you're only using $100 of that $500, that's 20% utilization. Perfect. Here's the trick. You can use your card throughout the month, but pay it down before the statement closes. Okay, most credit cards report your balance to the credit bureaus once a month, on your statement closing date. If you pay down your balance before that date, the credit bureaus see a low balance, even if you've been using the card all month. This is advanced money management that actually works. When you're creating a budget, factor in your credit card payments as a weekly or bi-weekly thing, not just monthly. This keeps your utilization low and your credit score climbing. This kind of financial education makes a massive difference in how fast you build credit. Quick reflection. Do you know when your credit card statement closes? Check your card's terms and mark it on your calendar. That's the date you want your balance paid down. 6. Add a credit builder loan, optional but powerful. If you want to accelerate your credit building even more, consider a credit builder loan. This is a small loan, usually $300 to $1,000 that you do want to actually get up front. Instead, the money goes into a savings account and you make monthly payments. Once you've paid off the loan, you get the money back. It sounds weird, but it works because the lender reports your payments to the credit bureaus, which builds your credit. Think of it like forced saving money with a credit building bonus. You're not borrowing money to spend it. You're borrowing money to prove you can make consistent payments. This is another layer of personal finance management that diversifies your credit profile. Credit bureaus like to see different types of credit cards, loans, etc. by having both a secured credit card and a credit builder loan. You're showing you can handle multiple types of credit responsibly. Within 90 days, this combination creates a solid credit profile. Inks is financial planning that sets you up for long-term success, not just short-term fixes. Quick reflection. Is a credit builder loan worth it for you? If you can afford the monthly payment and want to accelerate your credit building, it's a smart move. 7. Monitor your progress and stay consistent. Here's the final step. Track your progress. Download a free credit monitoring app, like Credit Karma, Experian, or your bank's app. Check your score once a month. Watch it climb. In the first 30 days, you'll probably see a score appear if you've started from zero. By day 60, you should see it climb into the 600s if you're following this plan. By day 90, you could be in the mid-600s or higher, depending on how aggressive you are with payments and utilization. But here's what matters most: consistency. Building credit isn't a one-time thing. It's a habit. You're proving to the financial system that you're responsible with money over time. This is where budgeting for beginners turns into long-term wealth building. You're not just building a credit score. You're building financial literacy, money management skills, and a personal budget system that works. The credit score is just the visible result of good financial habits. Keep making on-time payments. Keep your utilization low. Keep monitoring your progress. In 90 days, you'll have credit. In 6 months, you'll have good credit. In a year, you'll have great credit. That's the power of consistency. Quick reflection. What's your 90-day goal? Is it to hit 650? 670? Write it down. Make it real. Then commit to the plan. Okay, look, I know building credit from zero feels overwhelming. It feels like you're behind everyone else. But here's the truth. Most people with good credit didn't start with good credit. They started exactly where you are right now. The only difference is, they took action. They followed a plan. They stayed consistent. And now, you have the same plan. You don't need years. You need 90 days. 3 months of smart decisions. 3 months of on-time payments. 3 months of building your financial reputation. That's it. That's how you go from invisible to the financial system to someone who gets approved for apartments, loans, and opportunities. Start today. Not next month. Today. Get that secured credit card. Ask about being an authorized user. Set up automatic payments. This is how you change your financial future. Tell me in the comments, where are you starting from? 0 credit? Bad credit? Already building? Let's support each other in this journey. And if this video gave you a clear roadmap to build credit, make sure you hit like and subscribe to Liberty Money. We're dropping new content every single day to help you build financial literacy, improve your credit, and build real wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.